The RV fridge, a marvel of modern society. What do you do if your RV refrigerator does not turn on? We have here a Dometic four-door RV fridge that has 120 and LP gas powered. We're trying to light it on LP gas because we're out here at Sand Hollow boondocking, and it's lovely, but my food is getting warm. So my fridge, here's the condition. It's getting gas. I can smell propane when it's trying to light. It's getting spark. I can hear the spark. I can even see the spark if I look down in this window. It has 12-volt power because the display is working. It has 120 because it worked just before we got home. So why isn't my fridge lighting? So the first thing you should check is this little manual shutoff valve, which is right here. And make sure that the slot on that screw is parallel to the regulator itself. If it's perpendicular, meaning up and down, then the gas is shut off. But my gas is on, I know it's on, so I'm going to remove this little cover, and then this little tray here to reveal the assembly. Alright, here we have the regulator, the orifice, the burner, the electrode, igniter, and if you get to this point and you try to light it, you might even still see that electrode makes spark, which mine did. It made spark right here, and that spark arcs to the burner itself. So you'll see this electrode arcing to the burner. You'll see a little spark. But the problem is, with my big four-door refrigerator, it needs a lot of spark, not just a little spark. All I did was bend this little bit of sheet metal up, or twisting it clockwise basically a little bit, to pull away that electrode from the burner. You know, you can't see from this angle very well. It was sitting almost on top of the burner when I came out. Now it's about a 1/4 inch above, and we're gonna light it up and see if that works. All right, I just heard the tick, 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 3 ticks, and it's lit. Thanks for visiting Josh's Garage. If this was helpful, please subscribe.